Now, let me quickly show you how we're going to change the weather from the Fahrenheit to Celsius degrees on your Mac computer, right? So as you can see, I even have the widget, the Dallas weather, 80 degrees, but it's obviously Fahrenheit. But you cannot really change it in terms of the weather app or the widgets, but instead you have to go to the general settings app, right? So if I type in the settings app as such, in here in the general section, which opens up at first, you need to scroll down a little bit more and find the language and region. And in here you can make some changes to your computer, so you can choose the temperature as well as measurement system. So by default, or in my case, it is selected to Fahrenheit, but I can change it to Celsius like that, and it's gonna apply to the widgets in here, to the weather, and also all of the other places where it might be needed. So that's how we're gonna change it. You can see that it might be useful to just notice it that way. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it on your device as well. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll see you in the future uploads.